In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find jobs on Behance. If you're a creative professional looking for your next project or full-time role, Behance offers a built-in job board that connects your portfolio with opportunities from around the world. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can zero in on roles that match your skills and niche. Start by opening your browser and going to Behance.net. This is the home base for creative portfolios, and it's also where the job board lives. Give the page a second to load so all the navigation elements appear. Once you're on the home page, look for the Jobs option in the top navigation bar and click it. This takes you straight to the job listings area, where you'll see current openings curated for creative fields. If you're on a smaller screen, you might find jobs inside the main menu, but it's the same destination, either way. On the Jobs page, you'll see filters that help you narrow the results. This is where you can tailor the listings to your skills or niche. Think about the kind of work you do best. Maybe it's product photography, UI, UX design, illustration, motion graphics, or branding. Use the category filter to reflect that expertise. You can also refine by tools or specialties if they're available, which helps surface roles that truly fit your strengths. After choosing the filters that match your skills, make a selection from the options shown. For example, if you specialize in product photography, select that category to narrow your search. The key is to be as specific as you can without excluding relevant opportunities. If a category seems too broad, adjust or add another relevant filter to fine-tune your results. Next, choose a location that aligns with your preference. You can enter a city, region, or country, or look for roles that specify remote work if that suits your setup. Choosing a location helps prioritize listings that are practical for your schedule and time zone, especially if a role involves on-site collaboration. As soon as you set your filters and location, the results update automatically based on your selections. Scroll through the refined list and scan the titles, companies, and brief descriptions to spot the best matches. When a posting looks promising, open it to read the full details, including responsibilities, required skills, and any preferences. If a listing doesn't fit, simply adjust your filters and watch the results refresh in real time. That's it. Go to Behance, click Jobs, filter by your niche, make your selections, choose a location, and review the tailored results. Happy searching, and I hope you find the perfect creative role.